Look on that. Or Con House. Yeah, go in the front there, Roman, come. Yeah, I think
Stand clear of the automatic gates as they're about to open.
You may now open your safety door and exit the lot. You may now open your safety door and exit the lot.
You alright, Matilda? I don't want my face in it, but go on that one. Go on, guys, go.
Oh, right, right. She looks so terrible. Lee, when we can go on?
What?
When we can go on, I'm coming. That's the same thing.